The Bucks taking on the Thunder. Paul George versus Giannis. George with 36 points, Giannis with 27. And he was doing it from the start of the game. 21 points in the first half. In the post, he's knocking down threes. He's getting layups. He's doing a little bit of everything. Why are they leaving him open? Look at him celebrate after that perfect release. Knocks down another three, another celebration, another pause. Now let's take a look at Giannis. What was he doing in this game? He had a rough first half, just 3 points, 3 turnovers. He got blocked. Just wasn't his night early. As he turns it over there, now he's in the post. He tries to go baseline, gets blocked again. What a game from Noel. He was blocking everything. Second half, though, Giannis is going to return. But look at that skip pass. It gets stolen by Steven Adams. He goes coast to coast. Did he just try to Euro step? Oh my goodness, the big fella going over the head. The bench is loving that Euro from the big man. Russell Westbrook turning on the Jets. Makes the tough layup. It's a blowout. Thunder, they're up 17. They're actually going to be up 19. Still plenty of time to play. Maybe, just maybe, the Bucks can do something here in the fourth quarter. Giannis gets the and one after the pump fake. Off the missed three, it's Giannis on the glass, and he stuffs it. He almost gets rejected, but he's mad now. 2 minutes to go. Anything is possible for three. Uh-oh, the Thunder, they're falling apart in the clutch. This is not a good sign. Paul George gonna slash and throw it down over Giannis. Oh my goodness, that's gotta be the dagger in the clutch, cold-blooded. Wow. That building is erupting. 50 seconds. Paul George, the real dagger, a deep three. And that does it. Oh, Clay won't miss. What problems with cash? I'm going to show him a new play. We're playing Madden now. Touchdown. I told you I got tricks up the sleeve.